I'm Gabor, and I am an infrastructure engineer and a backend engineer at Bitrise. I'm the tech lead of the team we call Build Services. What I really like the most is inventing stuff as we go, because there are just no recipes for it. The company provides us with learning opportunities. We try to educate each other, like there are regularly internally organized workshops, for example on testing or coding practices, stuff like that. The company also helps us with giving us access to resources like online learning platforms. We can get any book we want to get. The company will buy it for us. If we haven't had the coronavirus, we could go to any conference right now we could want to, basically. We have an amount of money reserved for going to conferences or workshops or going to events which has to be paid for. And we have like this personal development money for us every year.